Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I'm trying to be quiet. I'm in the airport. Not that it's too crowded here right now, stuck on a delay. But if you have no listings as a real estate agent, a lot of times you'll mistakenly think you can't advertise. How can I advertise if I don't have any listings, right? Why are you trying to advertise a product rather than a service? See, if you've got a 4-bedroom house, you have a product that you can offer to the public, and of course that has limited appeal, right? So if they're looking for a 3-bedroom, that doesn't work. If they're looking for a different side of town, if they want a 1-story, that just doesn't work. So the goal for you is to provide a service, not provide a product. I want you to think about the offers that you're putting out to the general public. It's not a house that you're offering, or even houses that you're offering. It's the service that you provide as a real estate agent. So I want you to start thinking through that. Many of you have seen the training that we just created this week. It was just released this week at bestagentoffers.com. If you check that out, it shows you, like, here's what you should be offering instead of a house for sale. You don't have to have, even if you have listings, please don't advertise them thinking it's going to pick up buyers for you. Try and advertise it for the seller, because of course you want to try and get the home sold, but you're not going to pick up other buyers that you can bounce to something else. It works like that often compared to having a universal offer that you're using, which is the service that you provide. What service do you provide? You can't say customer service is important, or I really care about you, or I'm a good negotiator. You have to have something of value. So I show you how to do that in bestagentoffers.com. Go check it out there. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. And hit me back if you have any questions. You can send me a direct message here. I won't be hanging out in the airport for a long time. This is what happens when you fly commercial, right? Let me know if you have any questions. But in the meantime, check out bestagentoffers.com so you can have a real offer that you put out to the public. I show you how to do free ads that cost you virtually $0. And I show you what you can do to get some that are, a penny a view, 2 pennies per view. I show you exactly how to do that. So I want you to try it out. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. Any questions? Let me know. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.